Have you ever wondered about the ancient marvels that stand still, bearing the tales of centuries? One such marvel is the Banteay Samre temple, a Hindu temple lodged deep in the heart of Angkor, Cambodia. This temple, a testament to the grandeur of the past, has a history as captivating as the intricate carvings that adorn its walls. Constructed during the reigns of Suryavarman II and Yasovarman II in the early 12th century, Banteay Samre finds its name rooted in the ancient Samre people. Its architectural style draws parallels with the Banteay Samre temple, another iconic structure in the region. The temple, however, isn't just a structure. It's a testament to the artistry and architectural prowess of a civilization that thrived centuries ago. The temple's most striking feature is a single ogival tower, a style reminiscent of the Angkor Wat. This tower, a symbol of divine connection between heaven and earth, is connected to a mandapa, an outdoor hall for public rituals. Flanking the tower and the mandapa are two libraries, repositories of ancient wisdom and knowledge. The temple complex is surrounded by two gallery enclosures, perhaps to protect the sacredness within from the outside world. Accessible by a raised causeway, Banteay Samre is believed to have once enclosed an entire town. The temple's outer enclosure wall stands 6 meters high, with gopuras, or monumental towers, marking the cardinal points, signifying the omnipresence of divine forces. However, time, the ultimate witness of the world, didn't spare this architectural marvel. The temple fell into a state of disrepair as centuries rolled by, and nature began reclaiming its territory. Yet, the story of Banteay Samre didn't end there. Between 1936 and 1944, the temple underwent an impressive restoration under the watchful eye of Maurice Glaise, a renowned French architect and conservator. This extensive restoration breathed new life into the temple, reviving its lost grandeur and beauty for the world to admire. Today, the Banteay Samre temple stands as a proud reminder of Cambodia's rich cultural heritage. It continues to draw history enthusiasts and travelers from around the globe, offering them a glimpse into the past, a past that speaks volumes about human creativity, resilience, and love for the divine. In summary, the Banteay Samre temple, constructed in the early 12th century, is a marvel of ancient Cambodian architecture. With its single ogival tower, mandapa, and libraries, it stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Samre people. Despite falling into disrepair, the temple was meticulously restored in the mid-20th century and continues to be a beacon of Cambodia's rich heritage. As the narrative of Banteay Samre unfolds, it reminds us that structures like these are more than just bricks and stones. They are living embodiments of human history, their silent walls whispering tales of the past. Whether it's the grandeur of the Ogival Tower, the sanctity of the mandapa, or the wisdom locked within the libraries, every corner of Banteay Samre has a story to tell. And as each story unravels, it takes us on a fascinating journey through time, from the reigns of Suryavarman II and Yasovarman II, through the meticulous restoration by Maurice Glaise to the present day.